know much about it, but let's see. Oh, I don't know what me I doing at them parts of life, yeah. My outfit cute, you know. Look. Yeah. I'm not in the bottoms for this. Some of them they're, I don't know, they're like ancient. Duppy Church. God knows, I grab that dig out. Some historic shit, guys. Historic shit. Get afraid. I don't want a Duppy come back town with me. Coming on the on it. But I swear if nothing move, my gun. Gun. But yeah. Well, I guess I'll look for some facts and put it below. But this is a famous tour stop. Chris! Which flower entrance?
Oh, you just go wrong way. You want to go to this one, I don't want to go.
Where is that car? Come on. Hold on.
Some reason people are gonna stare upon me. I don't know. But anyway, it's really cold, so I don't even want to go any further, to be honest, or even dip. But yeah, it's a nice little place. We dip on the roadside still, so man, people kind of just stand up. Hey guys, I don't think I'll be going in. I don't know, it's too cold, man. Let's go and walk around the place. Whew. It's too cold, it's too cold. So yeah. Oh Jesus. Mad bad. That's my camera stand, but you don't know. We're gonna enjoy a vibe on the river. So yeah. Walk down this and see what's down here. far I can go. And I name Neeshuur for no reason. I'm not even sure if they can hear me, but I don't think I'm gonna go any further. I'm gonna stop here and go back up. So yeah, if you come, make sure you bring your water shoes. You're gonna need that. This is a floating bar that's located in St. Elizabeth, pretty close to Pelican Bar. So it's a big boat. Like it probably can accommodate probably about 200 persons. So I guess they sail out on the river and stuff. So here's the view. Nice, ain't it? Like, Jamaicans are so creative. There's so many things to see. I guess this just would be an experience. They're not sailing out today, so we could just come walk and look. This is nice. Imagine you're out on the river and just taking 2 breeze and drink some liquor. Nice. I'm gonna just take back my phone in case I feel like being a handicap today. But yeah, I'm gonna be putting the details below. If persons are interested, contact number, blah 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 blah. So we can book it out and thing. Yes, we're on the river. I'm gonna go ahead and assume this is Black River. Yeah guys, I think this will be my last stop for the day. Going back to town in a minute now. So happy new year to everybody, and I hope y'all have one of the best years in your life, and I'm wishing that for myself as well. I'll be doing a bit more videos, more constant, you know. I'm getting my camera, so you don't know HD. So yeah, so just look out for the new videos, new spots, and we're just gonna try build the thing for 2020. You know what I mean, guys? I see y'all watching, right? But please, me I beg you, subscribe. Help me get to 200 subscribers. 200. That's not a lot, right? Yeah. So just watch the thing, like, comment, share, subscribe. If you know a friend who loves goat or go across the island, or you have a bucket list and you know where to go, this is the page. This is the page. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching. Thanks for all who are already supporting, and my new watcher them. click the button. You know what to do. Alright, so bye.